You get what you have earned, and what you have earned is...
Hey guys, I'm your host aka Yanan. Let's make a John Cena Heel turn with removable Wrestlemania 41 entrance gear, shall we?
Okay, fine. Take the floor, and what do you do with it?
And this is my John Cena custom figure from last year's Money in the Bank PLE when he announced his retirement tour, and I'll be swapping hands with Cody Rhodes for a better look.
Moments of embarrassment, moments of shame, just like this. You let me know that I wasn't worthy of your attention. So what did I do? I went and I changed myself, hoping that you would like me a little bit, and it worked for a second, but then it wasn't enough. You make this so easy.
Both looks way better now. Should have done it sooner. Big thanks to Cody Rhodes for the assist. Your time's up. It's his time now. And now let's get into the business and customize this WrestleMania 41 in-ring gear.
There is no one in the WWE with the strength, the speed, the wisdom, or the ruthless aggression of John Cena. I worked hard like I always do, and I started to win, and win, and win, and win, and win, and win, and win. I won a lot, and you hated it. It wasn't enough. So what did I do? I spent the next 10 years of my life trying to give away everything I possibly could, and it wasn't enough. Oh, you're not ready to hear this. You're not ready to lean into an uncomfortable conversation. I don't need to single out anyone here because you are all horrible people. You are pathetic.
His WrestleMania gear fits him great for his current gimmick, but his baby face doesn't match his current aura. Time is up. Let's give him back his ruthless aggression.
And you take, and you only care about yourselves. I put my values on the line to make a very important choice in my life. And all you could think was, what do we get? My story changed. What do we get? John Cena's coming to my town. What do we get? This is trending. What do we get? You make this so easy.
And this is the figure I promised, and thank God it looks way better than the last one. It gives a major peacemaker vibes. I've changed everything but the jolts. No big difference there. I'm not used to seeing the socks, but now I think I'm used to it. His new head transplant plays a major role for his new gimmick. Here is Cody Rhodes for the main event of WrestleMania 41 when Cena outworked everyone to become an historic 17-time World Heavyweight Champion. Huge thanks to Cody, couldn't have done without him. Now let's give Cena his flowers for entertaining us for over 2 decades.
You all told me loud and clear how stupid I was. I changed your championship into a toy, and the toy belt I made for you disrespected tradition and disrespected your legacy. What I'm doing is so unprecedented, they don't think it's real. They don't believe it.
The last real champ is here! And now let's quickly compare between heel and face John Cena. Which one would you prefer?
I am the last real undisputed champion of the WWE.
And just like his retirement tour, we are not done yet. Time to build this WrestleMania 41 entrance gear, shall we?
What have you ever done to support me, huh? What have you ever done for me? All you ever do is steal from me. You steal my personal moments. You steal my time. You have made me your frigging toy. I am an object to you. You have made me the butt of a stupid, invisible joke for 15 years, and you still think it's funny. It is not funny. It is pathetic. You are pathetic. And there is nothing you can possibly do to prepare to face a man who knows he's going to die.
And now his WrestleMania 41 attire is completed. I'll show you how to put on his entrance gear, starting with the shoulder boulders on each sides, and then the t-shirt itself, locking both sides with the insulation tape. It was pretty tricky to make, but there's always a way. And finally, his iconic hat saying, "You can't see me."
For the final time, the last real champion, John Cena!
If you love this video, just click the like button, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And if you can, be a member of this channel. It's helped me a lot financially.
What do we get? You get nothing!
Until next time, thank you for spending valuable time for my channel. Peace.
You get nothing!